done with. James was Monkey Palace Thomas and Whiff. Monkey Palace Thomas was cross. He caused this accident in the last episode, season 1. Since he had crashed into some tar wagons. Since he was silly, he had caused himself to cause an accident. He was cross that he was done to something. Then, Whiff came. What do you want, dirty object? I'm not dirty object. You have to work too. So Tom had told me that I should tell you that you should take some cars. Said Monkey Palace Thomas. I don't like cars. They're silly. So you have to pull cars, take it to the waste dump. Said Monkey Palace Thomas. It's easy. It isn't heavy for me. He went off. He went off a couple. And he left. He left with the car. Since Percy caused this accident when he was sleepy, Whiff and Percy were working at the waste dump, waiting for James's cars to arrive. Monkey Palace Thomas's cars. He always waits until the garbage was all finished in only one car, and he leaves. He came very crossly, and then then he reverses to move the garbage. After the cars were unloaded, he had to go for more. Since the cars were full, he was going to go back to the waste dump. Since on the way back, he saw that something on the track, like the signal, had failed to turn because it was being jammed. Monkey Palace Thomas was very cross. It went so fast. The driver fireman saw that they didn't know that the truck was broken. Okay, said his driver, we're going to go back. But then they saw themselves they were going in a straight track. Apply, said his driver. But they applied the brakes, but it was too late. He crashed to the buffers where Thomas had caused his accident on the dash. Since he stopped on the water, he was silly. He had been there. So Topham had spoke some fairly to him. You silly engine, said Sir Topham Hatt. You're very silly. You went too fast, crashed into some buffers. I'm sorry, sir, he said. Then Edward pulled him on the road.
wapulira video text bwa sikapa bwe yalubizi obwa balamu.
Whiff and Percy were waiting for James, but he was late. Where is that engine? Said Whiff. I better look for him. I think it's late. And he left. He was very late indeed. He had been in the works. He was at the docks. Whiff was very cross. You are very late indeed, he said. You are very late. I'll let you work at the docks. Then Whiff took the car.